Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work out day and night, your chest just doesn't grow? If yes, then I completely understand your frustration, because I've been there too, just like you. I used to copy every popular fitness influencer's chest workout routine. Someone said, do 100 push-ups daily. Someone else said, manifest by placing your hand on your chest. But none of it worked for me, because no one was revealing the real secret to building a muscular chest. But after wasting 6 months of hard work and thousands of dollars at the gym, I finally discovered the secret to building a dominating muscular chest at home, without any gym. And in today's video, I'm going to share the 4 exercises that helped me build my chest without any gym or equipment. And the best part? These 4 workouts won't just build your chest. They'll also melt away your stubborn fat. That means you won't just build a chest. You'll build a lean, muscular body and get a strong, dominating look. Let's start the video. Mistake most people make. Most people think the more push-ups they do, the better results they'll get. But that's not true. Results only come when push-ups are done with proper form. 1. Explosive push-ups. To do explosive push-ups correctly, place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your body in a straight line. Tighten your core. Slowly go down with control. Full range of motion. Hold for 1 second at the bottom, then explode upward. You don't need to clap. Just feel the explosive motion. But don't do half reps, don't break form, and don't just bounce your hips up and down. These mistakes ruin your progress. And then you say in the comments, bro, it's not working. Perfect the exercise first. Results will follow automatically. Why is this so effective? It doesn't just hit muscle failure. It tears the muscle fibers. As you go down slowly and push up explosively, your fast twitch muscle fibers ignite. That's the muscle tension that causes real growth. It also puts your body in high-intensity fat burn mode. Try this for 7 days. You'll start seeing results. Do 3 sets of 10 reps with 25 to 30 seconds rest between sets. And don't skip the 2-minute warm-up. It'll save you from injury. 2. Resistance band chest fly. Want that clean chest line that pops through your t-shirt? Then skip dumbbell flies. Do resistance band chest flies instead. This exercise doesn't just contract the chest. It gives it a powerful stretch. That's the controlled tension that gives your chest a 3D shape. All you need is a resistance band, a stable surface like a door, window grill, or hook steps. Fix the band at chest level. Hold it lightly and step a little away. Open your arms out like wings. Then bring them in, squeezing your chest. Keep the motion slow and controlled. No jerking, no fast moves. 12 reps, 4 sets. This will activate both your inner and outer chest, melting away the fat like butter. Within days, you'll see that 3D shape forming. Bonus, resistance bands are super affordable and last for years. A solid investment. But remember, even with a great chest, if you have belly fat, you won't look muscular. That stubborn belly fat doesn't just come from overeating. It comes from poor digestion, bloating, and slow metabolism. 3. Hindu push-ups. This is an old-school bodyweight exercise used by Indian wrestlers for centuries. Benefits: builds chest, improves flexibility, enhances spine mobility, increases full body strength. The wave-like motion targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, spine, and core. Perform it slowly and with control, not half reps or fast moves. 12 reps, 3 to 4 sets, every other day. Within weeks, you'll feel that old-school power return to your chest. Before we move forward, if you're still watching, you're among the 1% serious people who truly want to transform. So comment, "I'm a warrior," to let me know you're one of them. 4. Archer push-ups. Don't take this lightly. Archer push-ups are used by elite athletes for chest isolation. Benefits: maximum load on one side of the chest at a time. Improves muscle control and definition. How to do: Get into normal push-up position. One hand wider, one hand closer in. Lower your body with all weight on the wide hand. Feel the tension on that side. Then, switch sides. Mistake people make. Using both hands equally or going too fast. That gives you zero results. Instead, go slow and controlled. Feel every rep. 12 reps per side, 3 sets. You'll be shocked at how pumped your chest feels. Final words. This entire routine takes just 20 minutes a day. Stick with the right form and consistency, and the results will start showing in days. This routine got me more results in 2 weeks than 3 months at the gym. So the choice is yours. Comfort or change? If you choose change today, I promise, your transformation is guaranteed. But don't forget, just building a chest won't make you look muscular. You must burn the fat first, and for that, you have to do cardio and eat healthy and clean. And if you want a full home workout plus diet plan, comment down. I will definitely make video on that. Also, for more life-changing videos like this every week, subscribe to the channel now. And last but not least, thank you for watching, warriors.